Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to another video. I look like ketchup and mustard. So as you guys know, I live in Chicago, and because of quarantine, all my senior events got canceled. That means my senior brunch, my prom, my senior photos, my graduation. And so, as the creative guru that I am, I decided to have all of those events at home. So, in this video, I will be showing you guys the process of everything and the outcome of everything. So I'm starting this video a little late because I've just wrapped up decorating my basement for the prom with just me and my sisters. And I'm having a prom send-off, which if you don't know what that is basically when you come outside your house with your prom gear on and your family and friends come and take pictures with you, and then you get in the car and go off to prom. So, excuse my ceiling, it's like the paint is chipped off anyway. So last night I did my nails, and I'm gonna go and show you guys the basement, and then I am going to decorate the outside with my family. I'm gonna try not to show that much of the outside just because I don't want you guys to know where I live. But yeah, let's go look at that. Oh, by the way, I'm also missing my senior brunch. I think I said that. And I decorated the kitchen for senior brunch last night, but the decorations fell this morning. So here's some pictures and videos of it last night. And here's pictures of it now. So yeah, let's go downstairs. So my mom and I decorated this basement. I had a vision for the sweets table, and that was fulfilled in a very DIY-ish way, which I really wish I was able to have videoed it for you guys and did like montages, but I was just so busy that I didn't get time to do that. But yeah, this is my sweets table. My mom covered our walls with black paper. That blue right there, my sister's gonna set up her DJ equipment. I just want to say, if you are a senior in high school or an 8th grade graduate or a kindergarten graduate or a college senior graduate or anything in which you are graduating, just know that you are not alone in feeling like you waited for this moment and it kind of got taken away from you, because that is how I feel. There's been nights where I was really upset, and I was just like, I literally been in high school for 4 years, had to change schools after my freshman year because my first school closed, and I was really just looking forward to the whole full effect. Like, that's what senior year is meant to be. You work really hard in the beginning, you catch senioritis in the middle, and then it's all worth it at the end when you have your events. And because that's not happening, it is very sad, but you can do things like this and create your own moments. So I can't wait to show you guys the graduation later on in this video. Hopefully this isn't a little too long, but I'm gonna come back to you guys after the decorations outside are a little complete, and then I'm gonna show you guys me getting ready. I ordered some Chick-fil-A nuggets to add to that table. I'm gonna try to figure out where I'm gonna put it. But yeah, this is gonna be lit. And the makeup and the outfits and everything, I'm just so excited. So if you are enjoying this video so far, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and join the post notification gang. All right, let's go. So guys, the festivities are over. I am so shocked. First of all, I didn't know that I was gonna have a date today. So I really wish that could have got on video because that was crazy. But this is the aftermath. I just got back from taking pictures, going to see my grandma. And now I'm about to take a shower and stuff because it is the virus, and I was around a lot of people and I didn't think a lot of people would get out the car and stuff like that. So time to go shower and say goodbye to this, because we want to be healthy first.
tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. So it is currently the next day. I just woke up a few hours ago and I've just been laying in bed watching TV, just winding down from the events of yesterday. Let me tell you guys, I'm going to try to insert as many videos and clips right after this. I think the last video I made, I was about to walk out the house. And so a lot of people were a part of the production process of just me trying to get pictures with people and trying to stay, in glam. So I didn't get really that much footage of my own, but I'm gonna try to insert some videos and clips of people who saw me. So here you go. So yeah, and here's a video that I put together, I put on Instagram. I'm gonna have to mute the audio, so if you want to check out the original, you can go to my Instagram, @CRXandrea, to check out that. But I have to mute the audio just because I don't want to get copyright on this video. So here's the little montage of the send-off for you guys. So I decided to make my own audio because I'm not trying to get copyrighted on this video because that's annoying. So here you go. Here's my audio.
Junior, yeah. Set coming in on my phone. Put it with something, yeah. Fill the page, the cream. Gotta put a cap on it. I was talking that tough, so put a date on it. Everybody saying that here. It's a lot of face on it. Run through the money, keep calling. She gonna have to wait on it. BBS diamond dripping all my t-shirt. I'm pooping face on it. Run through the iPhone. Still gotta wait on it. She didn't put a pay for it. Oh, we look cute, period.
So yeah, like I was saying yesterday, I did not know that Quad was going to be my prom date. You guys do not know Quad. He hasn't been in any videos. He's not really even on my social media or anything because he's my sister's friend from college. But he just so happens to live down the street from us, and we hang out with him periodically, sometimes a lot. I think it's funny that my sisters and my whole family was in on him being my date except me. So it's kind of hard to surprise me because I will literally find out. But I'm shocked they actually did good and kept that a surprise for me. And I was genuinely surprised when I came out. Just a little update. We did not end up having the actual prom yesterday because we all did not think we were going to be all that tired. We went to a park near my house to take more pictures, which you probably see in these photos here. I also got a lot of cards and gifts from people. So if you're watching and you got me a card or a gift, thank you so much. So just an update, the brunch also did not happen yesterday morning just because we were so busy trying to decorate for the prom, and there was a lot of malfunctions with decorations outside because the wind was crazy blowing. So we're gonna have the brunch tomorrow morning, so you guys will see that later on in this video. I really hope this isn't a long video because there's so many parts to it. My dad is currently building me a stage for my graduation, so I'm gonna show you guys because I think it is so crazy. He literally thought of this idea on his own. That's all we got so far. So, looking good. I will see you guys tomorrow. I was gonna show you guys my brunch fit right now, but I feel like you guys should wait to see it tomorrow when it's actually brunch and my makeup is cute. So just a little highlight of what's gonna happen next up in the video. So prom happened, you guys saw that. So tomorrow, which is in the next few clips, you will see me for brunch and just the decorations and my family eating breakfast together. And then it will be graduation time. Oh, also, I feel so bad. I'm addressing the situation of Quadra and didn't even thank Quadra. Quadra, if you're watching this video, thank you for being willing to be my prom date. See you tomorrow at the brunch. Hey guys, excuse how I look. I just woke up. I've been taking naps and stuff today, but I know I told you guys that next time you see me, we be having brunch. But I just want to update you guys on what's going on and just be 100% transparent with what's going on in the world right now. One thing about my YouTube channel is that I use it as a source of positivity, like a positive outlet, and I like to broadcast happy sides for people who are going through something, or even if they're not, if they just want to laugh for a little bit or want some, creativity in mind. That's kind of what I made my channel based around. But in this time now in the world, there's so much going on that I feel like sometimes we just have to pause from that and just get real. So this morning I woke up and my grandparents had to be sent to the hospital because there's just a lot of stuff going on over at their house. No, they do not have the virus. No one in my family, at least my immediate family, has had the virus. We're all safe, we're all healthy. But my grandparents just have long-going medical issues anyway. And so they just needed evaluation from their doctor. So they were asked to go to the hospital. My mom took them there. Me and my one of my older sisters helped them get there. Obviously, we couldn't get into the hospital because of the COVID-19 outbreak. Which, by the way, I live in Chicago. The quarantine and stay-at-home order ended yesterday, which was May 29th, because it's currently May 30th. But hospitals and places like that are still on the lookout because there's still cases of it in the hospitals. They allowed my mom in, and my grandparents were being evaluated. But in case you guys don't know, or you haven't been on the news or social media, which you probably have been, there's a lot going on with protests for gun violence, and not even that, just police brutality and all around just cases of Black Lives Matter and things like that. There's been a lot of protests downtown in different cities, and Chicago, in which I live in, is a very popular city as well. So there's a lot of protests here. And the protests have moved from downtown to my neighborhood and neighborhoods around me. These people are angry, as we all are. But there's some people who are a little more angrier than others. And so there's been a lot of riots, damage to public places. And for that reason, a lot of the streets are shut down, as they should. But it's very serious if you're out there and about and you are just trying to continue, daily tasks. As we said, we were not expecting to have to see all those cars when we were trying to go to the hospital. But that's just what happened. I kind of told my family I didn't really want to do brunch anymore just because it's a lot going on. Me and my sister were sitting in the hospital parking lot for like an hour this morning trying to just figure out what was going on, trying to stay out of, off of main streets and things like that. So it's just a lot going on, like I said. I am happy at the same time because I was really down and sad at first, like, oh my gosh, all of my senior events are getting canceled, and now my home senior events may get canceled as well. But I think it's very essential that our voices get heard, and a part of me wishes that I could be out there protesting with those people. So that's all I have to say. Next time I see you guys, it'll probably be graduation time. This is just a little check-in, letting you guys know that we're cutting the brunch out. I didn't even fix that decoration in my kitchen. It's still messed up on the walls. So my dad and my sister, I can actually show you guys. They're currently outside constructing the stage that they're talking about making. So yeah, I will see you guys graduation day, which is in 3 days. I'm so excited. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so ignore my hair because I'm getting ready right now, but just a little update. So as you guys know, graduation was supposed to be tomorrow, the 3rd. But my granddad is getting moved out of the hospital. My grandma is still there. She has a broken hip and her shoulder is dislocated. So she's still in there. But my grandpa's getting moved out. So my auntie just went to go pick him up. And for that reason, we're moving graduation to today. Also because it's supposed to thunderstorm tomorrow. So I just did a little simple makeup look. My hair is up under here. And I'm gonna show you guys outside because I'm out of breath. Because we've been setting up forever. I finally got the projector to work. Here we go. This is what we're going with right now. Don't look at my school name. But yeah, this is the setup. Okay guys, so we just finished setting up outside and I'm gonna try to video the graduation as much as possible, but I'm gonna be up there. So I'm just gonna take up some pictures and videos that other people have taken, show a little bit of the live if I can, but I'm gonna show you guys my fit. I'm just wearing this Fashion Nova dress with my cap. You guys, I think y'all saw the top. Here's a picture of the top in case you haven't seen it. And then my gown and just some sandals because I'm just at home. Y'all, excuse my little pudge. I'm trying to work out. This is the graduation look. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed those clips of my makeshift graduation. It was really productive. It was a little fast, but just because there was a lot going on, my granddad was ready to go home and curfew was coming up, so we had to kind of hurry it up. But thank you guys for watching. I just want to conclude by saying that there's a lot going on in the world right now, and it was kind of hard to schedule this stuff around events that were happening that we don't know when they're gonna happen. Like literally everything in the world right now is just in the present. We can't predict anything because we don't know what's gonna happen, but the best thing that we can do is stay together and hope and pray that everything gets better and that there's just a handle on things. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become a king or a queen. I will have links for you to donate to various funds or sign various petitions for the Black Lives Matter movement. If you want to do that, I really encourage you to do so that there can be a change in this world because we need it. Seriously, it's too much going on. I'm out of breath for no reason. I love you guys so much. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at SierraXandrea. Also follow my makeup Instagram at CMakeup and follow me on TikTok at SierraXandrea. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.